Have you ever heard your stomach growl and thoughts?
I must be hungry.
Hunger don't collect some department for inside my brain, mix them with water.
Well, that's not always the truth.
Tell me the truth.
That rumbling sound is known as Borborygmus, and it is caused by a digestive system moving food, liquid, and even gas through the intestines, which means your stomach and intestines are constantly contracting and relaxing, whether you just eat recently or not. When your stomach is empty, there is less food to muffle these movements, which makes the sound to become more louder and easy to hear.